Hey guys, it's Joey Elliott here with Mehron showing you how to come back from the dead. Start by tearing up some toilet paper. This is going to be your dead, flaking, disgusting skin. I laid down some liquid latex everywhere I wanted those wounds to go, especially around my nose and my mouth. This is where it's going to look like I have some torn open skin. I covered everything with a coat of extra liquid latex so it would give that super peely, gross look. And I tore everything apart delicately, but still made sure that everything laid flat and was super secure. In the areas that I didn't want any of that tissue paper, I laid down some liquid latex, let it dry, and started peeling it away with my fingers and the end of a cotton bud. Lightly powder, and then you're ready to start painting. Start by going in with that green color all over the face, especially over your latex wounds. Don't forget to go down your neck and over your ears. After powdering, I go in with that burgundy color from the tricolor to deepen my eyes, nose, mouth, and any other places that I want those wounds to look extra juicy. Then go in with the black from the tricolor palette to create any hollows of the face or deepen any wounds. Then to give myself that fresh meal look, I go in with Mehron's Stage Blood and apply that all over my wounds and on my face. Top that with some graveyard dirt and some extra blood, and you're back from the dead.